Hello and welcome back to the workshop. Today we're going to be talking about the long throw gate locks. These are a specific type of lock for really securing your side gates, double gates. What we've got in front of us is the range by FG Products. Looks complicated, but actually it's quite simple and hopefully I can explain this to you in this video. So I've laid all the locks out in front of me here, and they're separated into two groups. This section here is the rim cylinder locks, and this section over here is the Eurocylinder locks. And there's a little bit of difference, and I'll explain at the end of the video what the major difference is between the cylinders. So let's just talk about the rim cylinder locks. What you have here in front of us is these are the single locking and these are the double locking. And that simply means that if you have a single locking unit, what you get is from this goes through the gate and this is the outside. So you've got the key from the outside that will throw the bolt. And from the inside, you have a button release. So you press the button and you can slide that. That gives you easy access to get out. Obviously, in certain situations, if you use this on a garage door inside, then it's fully secure. You've got to realize though, if you're using it on a side gate, that if people wanted to climb over the gate, obviously they can open the gate for themselves. But some people just prefer to secure it. Right, they're not too worried about that and they want easy access. And obviously that simple slide action and press button does that. On the locks, we have two sizes. This cylinder passes through the gate and is for 70mm gates. And this cylinder passes through the gate and is for up to 50mm gates. Both of these locks work in exactly the same way. Then we move on to the double locking, and that simply means that you get the key access from both sides. So if you want to go out, you must have the key to insert into the lock and open or throw the bolt. Again, with these locks, this is for 70mm gates, or this unit is for up to 50mm gates. So that is single locking, double locking, 50mm or 70mm gates. Very, very simple. And if we move on now to the Eurocylinders, this is basically exactly the same way. So what we have here is the double locking, where as you can see, you get the key access from both sides. Same on this one. This is for up to 70mm gates, and this is for up to 50mm gates. And then you get the single locking, where basically what you've got then is a thumb turn to slide the locks open, and the key access from outside the gate. And again, 50mm and the 70mm. All of the locks, once fitted, comes with a stainless steel escutcheon that fits on the outside. So that's what you will see on the outside of your gate. It's grade 316 stainless steel, so it's never going to corrode. All of the locks come with the striker as well. And all of the locks come with 5 keys. Let's talk a little bit about the Eurocylinder version. So basically, a Eurocylinder is this profile, this shape. You will see this on your front doors of your houses. The benefit of this lock is that this cylinder inside here is the standard Eurocylinder, available from any locksmith company. And if you want to change this cylinder to match exactly your front door, any local locksmith can do this. And FG Products sell this lock without the cylinder. So if you want to organize that yourself and go to your locksmith, you can buy this lock and they will match this cylinder exactly to your front door. Inside the locks, all of the locks come complete with everything to fit it. So what you get inside the locks is a fitting template that simply sticks to the door, gives you all the positions of drilling all the holes. You get all of the tools inside here. So inside this bag is the drills, the screw bits, everything that you can fit this. All you need is a power battery operated drill and you're good to go. And all come with clear instructions on exactly how to fit the lock in a very simple to easy read system. So you know, there's no problem. It's a basic DIY sort of assembly of the product. What I'm going to do in a separate video, I'm going to break one of these down and show you how to change the cylinder and show you how easy it is to insert it. So I hope that was clear. I hope I've explained it and made it a little bit clear, simplified what you're looking at here. So all you need to remember whether you want single locking or double locking and what size is your gate, up to 50 millimeters or up to 70 millimeters, and that's it. All of the locks are stainless steel, so there's no worry in terms of corrosion and they're fully guaranteed. If you like this, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to these videos. Really appreciate any comments, any advice in terms of more things you want me to talk about. And if you want any more information, don't forget to check out the website www.fgproducts.co.uk. Thanks very much.